Welcome back. Today we're taking a deep dive into the 5 most dominant Caterpillar dozers in the game. These machines are absolute legends in construction and mining, and you're getting the full breakdown of their exterior designs, interior comfort, performance power, and real-world pricing all in one go. Asterisk, let's start with the biggest beast of them all. The Caterpillar D11. From the outside, the D11 looks like a rolling tank made of steel. The massive SU or U-blade up front, the heavy-duty multi-shank ripper in the rear, and the reinforced track guards show exactly what it's built for: serious mining and non-stop earth moving. Its elevated sprocket setup improves traction and protects the drivetrain in brutal conditions. Climb into the cab and you'll find way more comfort than you'd expect from a machine this size. The air suspension seat adjusts to the operator. Joystick controls offer quick precision. The touchscreen displays system data, and visibility is boosted with large windows and optional cameras. With around 850 horsepower and over 110,000 kilograms of operating weight, it pushes massive loads with ease. A brand new D11 will usually cost between $3.5 and $4 million depending on options. Asterisk, next. The Caterpillar D10T2 brings serious muscle with more flexibility than its big brother. From the outside, it looks just as rugged with a smaller footprint. It can be outfitted with everything from carry dozer blades to production blades, and the tall ground clearance helps it dominate uneven terrain. The rear ripper is built to dig deep without losing traction or control. Inside, the pressurized cab gives operators clean air, climate control, ergonomic joysticks, and a digital monitoring system. The seat is cushioned with adjustable suspension to make long shifts easier. It puts down roughly 700 horsepower and weighs about 70,000 kilograms, making it a favorite in mining support and heavy construction. Pricing typically lands between $2.5 and $3 million, depending on attachments and technology packages. Asterisk. Now onto the legendary Caterpillar D9. A machine that has been a worksite staple for decades. Its exterior is tough and industrial, with strong structural lines, heavy lift cylinders on the blade, and wide access panels for maintenance. The undercarriage is engineered for maximum balance and long service life. Rippers come in single or multi-shank setups, ideal for quarry work and large project sites. Inside the cab, things are set up for comfort and visibility. The thick glass cuts down on noise. The suspension seat helps with long hours, and electronically controlled steering makes operations smoother. With about 450 to 480 horsepower and an operating weight around 50,000 kilograms. The D9 handles site prep, pipeline projects, quarry ripping, and large-scale dirt work. A new D9 usually runs between $1.2 and $1.8 million, depending on the build. Asterisk, next is the Caterpillar D8T, one of the most popular dozers in infrastructure and land development. From the exterior, it looks rugged and streamlined at the same time. Strong hydraulic arms, a balanced chassis, and a well-fitted blade make it capable of pushing and grading large areas. The undercarriage uses wide-track shoes for low ground pressure and better flotation on softer terrain. Maintenance access is easy thanks to the front hood design. Inside the cab, Caterpillar packs in comfort features like a pressurized cabin, touchscreen monitoring, adjustable joysticks, and even heated seating options. The operator gets a clear line of sight to both the blade and the ripper area, backed by available camera systems. With around 350 horsepower and close to 39,000 kilograms of operating weight, it's built for roads, land clearing, dams, and grading work. Pricing usually ranges from $900,000 to $1.3 million based on features and tech. Asterisk, finally. The Caterpillar D6, one of the most recognized and widely used mid-size dozers in the country. Whether it's the standard D6T or hybrid D6XE, its exterior is compact, strong, and efficient. The cab-forward design gives amazing sightlines to the blade and tracks. The frame is reinforced for durability without sacrificing maneuverability in tight spaces. Blade configurations include VPAT, semi-U, and straight options, and you can add a ripper or a winch to the back. Inside the cab, It's quiet, modern, and built for productivity. Touch displays, joystick steering, comfortable seating, and integrated grade control systems make the operator's job much easier. It delivers around 215 to 240 horsepower with an operating weight near 24,000 kilograms. This dozer is a go-to for grading, development work, and finish operations. Pricing typically starts around $500,000 and can climb to about $850,000 with full technology packages and top-tier add-ons. Now, when you stack these 5 side by side, you can see how Caterpillar built each one for a specific segment. The D11 rules heavy mining with unmatched torque and ground force. The D1 OT2 comes in strong with huge ripping and pushing power but better maneuverability. The D9 stands as a mid-large powerhouse, trusted in big construction and quarry work. The D8T is the sweet spot for large-scale earth-moving and infrastructure projects. And the D6 is unmatched in precision, versatility, and fuel efficiency in the mid-size class. A big reason Caterpillar leads the dozer world is how they've evolved both the exterior toughness and interior tech. These machines aren't just brute force, they're engineered for performance, longevity, and operator comfort. Joystick steering, monitored diagnostics, touchscreens, ride suspension seating, and clean cabs have become the new normal, even in high-horsepower beasts. Performance isn't just about horsepower. The elevated sprocket design across the lineup gives better balance, traction, and drivetrain protection. Smart transmissions and automatic load handling systems improve fuel use and reduce strain over time. Many of these dozers also include optional features like automatic grade control, ripper depth assist, blade automation, and built-in productivity tools. On the pricing front, the investment follows the job size. The D11 and D1OT to command multi-million-dollar price tags for industries that require non-slop high-horsepower earth movement. The D9 offers hard-hitting performance with lifetime value for contractors and quarries. The D8T delivers serious strength at a price that suits large fleet operations. And the D6 gives contractors high efficiency and advanced controls without jumping into the million-dollar bracket. Whether you're sizing up a fleet or just exploring the heavy equipment world, breaking down the exterior build, interior systems, and performance numbers tells you exactly where each model shines. From ripping bedrock and pushing overburden to building highways and shaping land, Caterpillar has a dozer built for every level of destruction and precision. Stick around for more deep dives into heavy machinery, performance breakdowns, and real-world comparisons. If you want a dedicated video on any one of these dozers or a head-to-head between two models, just drop a comment and I'll make it happen.